On behalf of Abdulaziz, I will be taking of today's class. Abdulaziz कुछ वजह से क्लास नहीं ले सकते उनके उसमें मैं ले रहा क्लास. So कल की क्लास on yesterday's class you have seen about storage. कंप्यूटर कैसा स्टोर करता. So आज देखेंगे अपन memories of computer and what is hard disk and what how to see the system information and what are the information will be present in the system, and about like a processor and all those things like system information, and where you can find your computer name, and after that what is notepad, wordpad, paint and sniping tool. So I will proceed further. So कल की क्लास में आप लोग देखे थे storage. Hope everyone can see my screen, right? Yep, okay. So computer के जैसा कि अपन देखे कि for example if we are going to buy something, like if you are going to purchase a rice, you will purchase in a like kgs. So if you want to purchase a milk, so you will go with the unit of measurement of liters. So इस तरह storage के लिए भी the unit of measure is like generally we will have bit, nibble, byte and characters. For one character we'll have one byte, and like that generally we'll use MBs. We'll heard about MBs. Generally अपन सुनते कि MBs के बारे में सुनते रहते. MBs, GB, TB, ये सब storage क्या है ये कल आप लोग देख चुके हैं. So just if you want to make a note of this one, you can make a note. Last four are important: kilobyte, megabyte, and gigabyte and terabyte. Now going to the next slide. Uh, how to see your system properties. आपके system के properties क्या क्या है, अगर वो देखना है तो आपको क्या क्या steps follow करना है. Here are the steps. Before I go to that one, I want to tell you about the memories of computer. Like in computer we'll have two kind of memories. The first one will be RAM and the second one will be ROM. Basically this both are comes under temporary memory or primary memory. If we categorize the memory, generally we can categorize into two types. First is primary and the second one is secondary. So under the primary again two types. Memory को दो हिस्सों में divide किया जा सकता है. एक है प्राइमरी और एक है सेकेंडरी. प्राइमरी के अंदर रैम और रोम आएंगे. सेकेंडरी के अंदर हार्ड डिस्क है, आपका पेन ड्राइव, व्हाटएवर द डिवाइसेस विल स्टोर द डेटा परमानेंटली, दैट कम्स अंडर सेकेंडरी. तो ये मेमोरी का आपको ध्यान में रखना है. मेमोरी दो टाइप के हैं. First one is primary and the second one is secondary. Primary is nothing but the temporary memory which stores the data temporary. जैसा कि whenever the power goes off, आपका data is going to be lost. So in the RAM, whenever you are doing any kind of thing without saving that one, that will be stored in the RAM. ROM, what is ROM? Read-only memory. Read-only memory, it will read your system information. For example, if you are pressing Control C, what should be it should perform. All those things will be the predefined thing will be available in ROM. So RAM, random access memory, the temporary storage will be happen there. ROM क्या है? रीड ओनली मेमोरी. आपके सिस्टम की पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन जब सिस्टम so that will be stored in the RAM. So ये दो टाइप के मेमोरीज के बारे में थोड़ी इंफॉर्मेशन you have to be aware of that one. So RAM, ROM एक प्राइमरी मेमोरी के अंदर कैटेगरी के अंदर आएंगे. नेक्स्ट जो सेकेंडरी के अंदर है we'll have hard disk for that one. So अब now we'll see the system information. How you can see the system information? You need to click start button पे click करना है आपको. Right. Start button just you need to right click the computer. I will show in the practical session. So right click करना है on that one. After right clicking on computer, you will find the last option is properties. You need to click on that. Then you can find your system properties, or else you will have one more option. You can go to the control panel and you can click on system and securities. Then you can click on the system. You can find the detail of your computer, like which operating system, which RAM, sorry, what is the size of the RAM, and all those things. Now you can see these are the steps. First, you are clicking on the start button. This is start button, step one. Then you are clicking on the like computer, right clicking on this computer, and you are going to the properties. So these are the three steps you need to remember. If you want, you can please make a note of this one. So at last, I will provide you the questions. So you need to submit your QA to your sir. Now, this is control panel. The second procedure you want to see, this is the control panel. On control panel, you can click on system and security. Once you click on system and security, again you will have a lot of options. Among them, you need to select the system. ये सब options में से you need to click on system पे click करना है. Then you can find this prompt, or you can find your which operating system you are using, Windows 7 Ultimate, and what is like RAM size. Here you can find 8 GB RAM, and your system in the 64-bit operating system, and blah blah. What is your computer name? Here you can find the computer name, IWS PC. This is about the system properties. So now we'll move further. Before going to the other topics, just I want to show here how you can see this practically. We'll see. So I am going to this is my desktop. So here you need to first, जैसा कि अभी slide में देखें, you need to click on the start button. You need to right click on the computer, and you need to click on properties. पहले क्या करना है, start button पे click करना है. दूसरा right click करना है, यानी second click करना है computer पे. Then you need to go to the properties पे जाना है. All right, you can see here the details of this one. This is AL-Khair PC, and here RAM is 2 GB in this one. So this is the computer name and Windows name, and like RAM size is here. So hope you got this one. So this is the first procedure. The second procedure is like you need to go to the control panel. Start menu से control panel पे जाना है. Then system and security. Then system. Here you will. So both are the ways you can find your system details. All right. So we have covered this three topics like memory, system information, and computer name. All right. So what is hard disk? हार्ड डिस्क जैसा कि लास्ट क्लास में भी बताया गया था आपको, कंप्यूटर के इस अंदर जो स्टोर होती है सेकेंडरी, दैट इज नथिंग बट हार्ड डिस्क. हियर यू कैन इन द हार्ड डिस्क, हियर इन कंप्यूटर के अंदर हार्ड डिस्क है. इसके अंदर दो बने हुए CD, द C1 इज लोकल डिस्क C एंड D1 इज बैकअप. सो ये दोनों के अंदर आपका डेटा स्टोर करे हुआ है. आप जो भी स्टोर कर रहे हैं, either it is going to save in C or D. इसके अंदर क्या क्या है, you can go and see. Generally we'll have the users in C. जैसे आपको बताया गया है कि multi users will have, so multi users की information you can have under this one. Whatever the applications you are going to be installed, that is also comes under the like C. In C we will have program files. Here under the program files you can find the we have Microsoft MS Office has been installed, and some like wireless tools and toolkits and all, like photo viewer, window media player, whatever the applications we will install, we can find their details and their supporting files in here. So this is about the hard disk. The size of the hard disk you can here, out of 136 GB, 111 GB is free, and here out of 231 GB, 212, I mean 212 GB is free. So you can add this 231 and 136, you will get the free packages. जब भी डालेंगे CD या DVD, so it will show here. All right. So hope everyone got this point. Any questions? You can chat. All right. Okay, around 500 GB is the size of the hard disk. So we'll go to our presentation. So memory, hard disk, system information we have seen. Processor, like in the components of the CPU, you have seen about the processor. So processor रहता जो मेन आपका काम करने वाला है, that is the processor. So processor के details भी you can find in system properties. All right. So here is processor. Intel का है, इसका i3 processor है, 2.40 gigahertz. It is there. So you can find the detail of your processor also in system information. All right. So we'll proceed further. Like next, our topic is notepad. All right. So अब यहाँ से अपन को प्रैक्टिकल की तरफ मूव हो रहे हैं अपन. Steps to open MS Notepad. MS stand for Microsoft, like OS stands for operating system. MS stand for Microsoft. MS Notepad कैसा open करना है, इसके steps and how to use that we are going to see. For this one again we have 3 steps. Just you need to click on like if you are using the Windows 7, so you can use these options also. अगर आपका Windows 10 या other than Windows 7 है, so you can go with the top 3 steps. In Windows 7 also you can use these steps also. I will show in the practical session. उससे हटके भी ये steps भी आप use कर सकते हैं. All right, क्या step है? Click करना है start button को. We know this is the start button. All right, this is nothing but our start button. So इस पे click करना है. Then this is the search area, or where you can type your application name. So here we are seeing the step for the notepad. So just if I type the note, then that also is okay, or you can type notepad. You need to click here. So this is the steps to open the notepad. All right, and the other steps are also there, like you can press the window button, or you can click the window button, and you can go all programs. Then we'll have accessories. Under the accessories you can find the application which are by default operating system is providing. So notepad is one of the application. So before going to the notepad, just I want to bring 2 things here. Like the first thing is we'll have 2 type of application. One is utilities. The second one is application software. What is the difference between these two is utilities, the softwares which comes along with the operating system is called the utility software. The application software, the software which we install manually, that is called as application software. For example, आप mobile phone लिए, mobile के साथ you will get like basic software like camera, you will get dialing application, nothing but making a call, receiving a call. These are the basic softwares, like sending a normal message you will get. These are called utility software. In लोग को बोलेंगे utilities. The other software which you will need to install, like WhatsApp है, Facebook है, these softwares you are manually you are going to install. You are going to the Play Store and you are installing Facebook, Instagram, or any application that is called as application software. So Notepad is one of the kind of utility software. So these are the steps to open that one. Now this is the layout. Just now we have seen the top layer is called as the title bar. In the title bar we'll have the title. Yeah, title range. As of now it is untitled. We'll see what will be the title when this will come after saving the application. Now here we'll have minimize, maximize, or restore or close button. So 3 buttons है minimize यानी we are hiding this one. आप इसको नीचे कर देना चाह रहे हैं, background में कर देना चाह रहे हैं, या दूसरा application खोल रहे हैं आप, या कुछ दूसरा काम कर रहे हैं, तो you'll use this button as minimize. So the next after the minimize is like maximize or restore. For example आपको बड़ा करना है, अभी छोटा साइज है, पूरा फुल स्क्रीन करना है, तो you can use that one, that is called as maximize. और इसको छोटा करना है तो restore, और क्लोज करना है तो लास्ट ऑप्शन, एवरीवन नोज दैट वन बाय सीइंग दैट सिंबल. सो वो सिंबल को निशान है कि क्लोज के लिए. All right. So the next after that one we have the next line is called as menu line. ये मेन्यू लाइन के अंदर फाइल है, एडिट है, फॉर्मेट मेन्यू है, व्यू हेल्प. सो फाइल मेन्यू के अंदर we'll find these the options for that one. So this is the layout. Under that we'll have file, edit, format, view help. Under that file menu we'll have this sub menu, you can call new, open, save as, page setup, and print. These are the options we have available in Notepad to do the operations. Like you can new, it will provide a new layout so that you can write that one. And open this, if you have already any file, just you want to open that one, so you can go with this open option. So you can open your existing file and you can edit that existing file. Save, already कुछ लिख दिया आप, उसको सेव करना है, so you can click on save, or you can use the shortcut key Ctrl+S. So this is also like you can saving your file, that also today. Save as, if you want to save the file with a different name or a different location from the notepad, you can go with the save as. अब आधी फाइल कुछ लिख दिए थे आप, for example today you have written welcome to AL-Khair society and blah blah blah. अब दूसरे दिन है, you are writing something, if you want to save, you don't want to disturb the previous one, you have opened that file and you are saving that file with different name and different location, you can go with the save as option. Save और save as में थोड़ा सा फर्क है. Save यानी already जो फाइल है उसके अंदर ही सेव होगा. Save as दूसरी जगह या दूसरे नाम से सेव करना चाह रहे तो you can use with the save as option. All right, page setup, आप पेज को कुछ सेटअप करना चाह रहे, you will have like two options, दो options होंगे उसके अंदर, portrait और landscape. Then print option, the shortcut keys Ctrl+P. You can make a note of the shortcut keys and try to by heart this shortcut keys, so that you आप जब use करेंगे तो you will find easy to use. Instead of going everywhere clicking, you can use the keyboard. So shortcut key is helpful for saving your time and it show your intelligence. The last option is exit. Exit is nothing but everyone knows about that one, like nothing but close. यहाँ से आपको चल जाना है, तो you can use this option exit. All right. So अब ये था फाइल के अंदर. Next, the important thing is, so we'll see the file menu options. So I'm opening a notepad by going to the start button and typing notepad here. I'm writing some text. Welcome to AL-Khair online course. Right. So myself, Muhammad Hassan, something. Right. Or I'm writing my name. So this text is a little bit smaller. आपको ये बहुत छोटा दिख रहा. If you want to increase its size, you can click on format. You can go font. Here you can increase the text size. आप text का size बढ़ा सकते हैं. Just will increase the text size. Now it has been increased. और इसको style भी दे सकते हैं. Font style bold करना है, थोड़ा dark करना चाह रहे हैं आप, तो you can make it bold. नहीं sir, ये writing थोड़ी different करना चाह रहे, you want to go with the cursive writing or some different kind of style. Here you can see the preview. Sir, ये you want to go with this one, okay, you can go. Or basically we'll have like theme or something, this cursive writing. If you want to use, you can use this one. So you can increase the size also for the like 38 something. ऑल राइट सो आप फॉर्मेट के अंदर जा सकते हैं, फॉन्ट है उसके अंदर जाके आप राइटिंग का साइज इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं, राइटिंग का स्टाइल चेंज कर सकते हैं, इसको बोल्ड करना है तो बोल्ड भी कर सकते हैं। दिस थ्री ऑप्शंस यू कैन यूज फ्रॉम देयर वी यू हैव ए प्रीव्यू भी है, आप वहां से चेंज भी कर ले सकते हैं। सो दिस इज अबाउट द फॉर्मेट के अंदर फॉन्ट। तो बेसिकली you have to aware of this one. So now in the file we have like file के अंदर है, फाइल मेन्यू के अंदर न्यू है, न्यू फॉर एग्जांपल ये सब गलत हो गया, आप फिर से न्यू लेना चाह रहे हैं या नहीं, तो आपको नया कुछ लिखना है तो यू कैन गो विद द न्यू। it will ask you want to save, or if you don't want to save you can say don't save or cancel this dialog box। ये जो भी आपके ऊपर स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हैं आप, ये प्रॉम्प्ट को जाना है तो कैंसिल दबा सकते हैं। तो these are the three options, or else you can instead of cancel you can use this close also। so ये न्यू का था। नेक्स्ट विल हैव लाइक ओपन, ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग है आपके सिस्टम में तो उसको ओपन करना है, so you can go with that one। now after that option we have a save option, or you can use a shortcut key control plus s। so I'm using the shortcut key control plus s। so अब किधर सेव करना है, डेस्कटॉप पे या डॉक्यूमेंट्स में, wherever you want to save you can click it there। document, here I'm giving the name as first class or notepad। all right, save। so you can see title also has been changed। title पहले क्या था, untitled बतला रहा था, now it is showing the first class for notepad। here is the text here। now for example we have exit, now after some days you want to open that one, so you open the notepad and you can go with the option of open, control plus o, first class of notepad, so you will get the text। so this is about notepad। if you remember the shortcut that will be better। new के लिए control plus n है, open के लिए control plus o है, control plus s for save। and now we'll see save as same file if you want to save with different name। for example desktop पे save करना चाह रहा हूँ मैं, this is with my name, okay। or here I want to change the text also, I don't want my full name, just I want this my nickname, okay। so here just I saved with that one, so that's why it is showing Abdullah। now if I close, if I go to the desktop I can find this Abdullah, so here I can find with this name and this text। in the previous file if I open that one you can see that also that is having this different text, ये text है इसके अंदर। all right, so this is about the file menu। we'll have one more option called as page setup। page setup, just now I discussed with you that will have orientation, portrait and landscape, or you can set the page also, A4 size है या कौन से size का है आपका paper, you can set here। so I will type A3, A4, which size is yours, you can select here। further